Harmony Music, scheduling music and/or silence. What is a music schedule? Your Harmony player comes pre-programmed with, at minimum, one music schedule with one music selection added. This music selection is known as default music. Default music is scheduled to play 24/7, ensuring your business is never without music. Music schedules allow your business to automatically rotate through different music selections by scheduling that music to play on various days and/or times. You can also schedule silence via a music schedule, allowing music to automatically stop and start throughout the day. For the holiday season, consider adding holiday music to your music schedule. Adding holiday music to a music schedule. Prior to adding holiday music to your music schedule, ensure you've added your desired holiday programs and/or created and added any holiday mixes or stations to your music library. If there are no holiday programs, mixes, or stations added to your music library, you will be unable to schedule holiday music. To learn how to add holiday programs and/or create holiday mixes and stations, check out the video Harmony Music, How to Add and Play Holiday Music. If you have one zone, to see the available music schedules from the music library, select the tab Schedules. If you have more than one zone, select the tab Zones, and then select a zone to view that zone's available music schedules. For ease of management, we advise keeping to one schedule and simply adding or removing your desired music selections on this schedule. Select the desired music schedule you wish to edit. In the new screen, you will see all programs, mixes, and/or stations scheduled on that music schedule. Within each music selection, you will see its schedule. Harmony will scan each music selection from the top of the list to the bottom and see if the schedule is valid. If it is expired or out of playing range, Harmony will move to the next selection and see if the music selection is valid. If none of the music selections have a valid playback date, it will play default music. If your desired holiday program is listed, simply click, hold, and drag and drop where you'd like that music to start and/or end. You may need to adjust the scheduled date and time in which the music selection needs to play, as it may be expired. For instructions, see the section Scheduling a Holiday Music Selection of this video. To add a new holiday program, mix, or station, select Add Scheduled Music. Under the Music tab, you will see the programs, mixes, and stations available in your music library. Select the corresponding radio button of the holiday music selection you would like to add. Only one music selection can be added and scheduled at a time. Scheduling a holiday music selection. To schedule the music selection to play on certain days and/or times, select the Calendar tab. By default, it is scheduled to play 24/7. Adjusting the dates is helpful for holidays, in the event you'd like the holiday music to start and stop playing on certain days. To schedule playback dates, in the Start Date field, select the calendar icon. Select the desired start date. In the End Date field, select the calendar icon. As the end year defaults to 2099, first select the desired year. Then select the desired month and day. To schedule playback time, uncheck the All Day box. Adjust the start time and end time fields by selecting the clock icon and changing the time. Select OK once the desired time has been entered. Adjusting the time is helpful if you would like to start and stop playing holiday music at a specific time. To schedule music to play on certain days, unselect the days you do not want holiday music to play. By default, all days are selected. Days are selected when they are blue. If you would like to select which locations and/or players this music selection should or should not play, select the Locations tab. Uncheck the locations and/or players you do not want the music selection to play. It will default to selecting all locations and players. Once satisfied with your scheduling, select Save. Repeat these steps to continue adding holiday music selections to your music schedule. Once satisfied with all edits, select Save Schedule. You will be returned to your schedules. Edit or delete a music selection. To edit a music selection schedule, select the music selection. Adjust the information in the Calendar and/or Locations tab and select Save. To delete a music selection, select the music selection and select the trash can icon. You will be returned to the music schedule. Once satisfied with your edits, select Save Schedule. You will be returned to your schedules. Schedule silence. If there are specific times when you need music to turn off, consider scheduling silence for your business during these designated periods. To do so, select Add Scheduled Music. Under the Music tab, select the radio button next to the option Silence. Select the Calendar tab. By default, silence is scheduled to play 24/7. To schedule silence dates, in the Start Date field, select the calendar icon. Select the desired start date. In the End Date field, select the calendar icon. As the end year defaults to 2099, first select the desired year. Then select the desired month and day. To schedule silence time, uncheck the All Day box. Adjust the start time and end time fields by selecting the clock icon and changing the time. Select OK once the desired time has been entered. Adjusting the time is helpful if you would like silence to start and stop at a specific time. To schedule silence on certain days, unselect the days you do not want silence. By default, all days are selected. Days are selected when they are blue. If you would like to select which locations and/or players receive silence, select the Locations tab. Uncheck the locations and/or players you do not want silence. It will default to selecting all locations and players. Once satisfied with your silence scheduling, select the Save button. Repeat these steps to continue adding silence to your music schedule. Once satisfied with all edits, select Save Schedule. You will be returned to your schedules.